So we're entering a really exciting time, and I think everybody feels it. Many of you are part of it. So when you look at this, is truly a generational shift that's going on. I don't think there's been anything more exciting than really when the rise of the internet hit the banking world, and then the banks really getting pressured by analysts. Hey, you've got to be on the internet. And it started out more of where you can access your balances on the internet. And now it hasn't, changed that much in terms of online banking. But I think now we're, 30 years later, we're going through this massive transformation now. And the banks with APIs embracing the fintech community in some respects, right? All of that has this opportunity to change. And all the banks know they need to get there. And all the banks that I've seen we're working with are genuinely working hard to try to go through that process, and it's really exciting. So when you kind of look at what's happening, like the APIs are providing essentially these new rails. They're new rails in that you can now have more of a fully programmatic means to be able to process these payments. And so even though there are APIs for ACHs, for wires, for transfers, in some ways, it's like that older movie that you used to have, but you want to watch it in HD. It has this process of up converting or upscaling. And it's a little bit like that. What's happening now? You can still use these older types, but they're just now on the new rails. So now you can do that more efficiently and still, so that works. In terms of leveraging the APIs to create those efficiencies and go direct.